Okay, this is a real app. It's on my phone. See, its own little icon sitting right there on my home screen. I tap it and boom, full screen. No browser, no address bar, nothing. It looks and feels exactly like something I downloaded from the App Store. Except I didn't. I built this whole thing myself by just talking in plain English. No Xcode, no complicated Mac stuff, no $99 developer account. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how. Start to finish. Because here is what everybody thinks. To make a phone app, you need to download Xcode, this giant intimidating program, learn to actually code, pay Apple, and basically suffer for a few weeks. And look, if you want to be I in the App Store, then yeah, kind of. But there is a shortcut. A way to build a real app that lives on your actual phone today with absolutely none of that. And almost nobody shows beginners this one. So let's just do it. I'm going to build a habit tracker, tap a button, keep your little streak alive. And I'm not going to write a single line of code. I'm just going to ask, make me a little habit tracker I can use on my phone with a few habits, big buttons to tap and show my streak. That's it. That's the whole instruction. And off it goes. And there it is. It just built it. Drink water, read, workout, big tappable buttons, a streak counter, the whole thing. And it works. Now right this second, this is technically just a web page. It's running inside my phone's browser. Which is cool. But it's not really mine yet. It's not on my home screen. It's not an app. So here is the magic step. I just ask for it. Now make this work like a real phone app. Let me add it to my home screen, open it full screen with its own icon, and make it work even with no internet. Plain English again. And behind the scenes, Claude quietly sets up all the little technical bits that make a phone treat this like a real installed app. And what it just made actually has a name. It's called a PWA. But honestly, forget the name. All you need to know is what it does. It is a web app that your phone treats like a real app. It gets its own icon, it opens full screen, and it even works with no internet. It is basically the App Store, without the App Store. So now, watch how easy this part is. On my phone, I open the app, I tap the share button and I scroll down to add to home screen. I give it a name and I tap add. And that's it. That right there is the entire installation. No download bar, no password, no waiting around. And look at my home screen now. There it is, a real app icon. Sitting right there next to everything else, I tap it and full screen. The browser is just gone. It feels exactly like a real app because at this point, it basically is one. And real quick, if your brain is a little melted right now, same. Hit that subscribe button because this whole channel is full of this kind of thing. Okay, back to it. Because I really want to prove to you this is real and not some trick, watch. I tap my habits. Done. 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 My streak ticks up. And here is the important part. It remembers. I can close this app completely, come back tomorrow, and my streaks are still right here, waiting for me. Just like a real app. And here is the part that genuinely surprised me the first time I saw it. Watch this. I'm going to turn the internet off. Completely. Airplane mode fully offline. And the app still works. It still opens. My data is all still there. Because it isn't really living on the internet anymore. It is living on my phone. Now let me be totally straight with you because I cannot stand channels that oversell this stuff. This is not in the App Store. You can't charge people for it in there. But here is what you absolutely can do. You can take this link and you can send it to anyone. Your mom, your friend, 100 people, they open it, they add it to the home screen and now they have your app too. For free. Today. With 0x code anywhere in sight. So that is how you build a real phone app with AI and no Xcode. You ask for the app. You ask it to make it installable and you add it to your home screen. 3 steps, all in plain English. So please, go build one tonight. A habit tracker, a little timer, a tool just for you, anything at all, and actually put it on your phone. I promise you, the first time you tap that icon, it feels like pure magic. If this is the video that finally made it all click, do me a favor, subscribe and stick around because we are just getting started. I'll see you in the next one.